Today I want to show you something from my museum. No, this is not the one I want to show you. This is my USB mouse I've showed you in my previous video. This is the one I want to show you. It's in Kinyo here. And can you guess what this is used for? I can give you a hint here, saying not a toy. The answer is here, video cassette rewinder. So this is very popular in certain households in the 80s. As you know, maybe you have seen the VHS cassette before, and this is how it looks after you watching a movie or to the end of the tape, and if you run from one side to the other side, you can turn around like the music cassette, so you have to rewind it, especially if you rent a movie from a videotape and after you watching it, before you return it, make sure you rewind it, otherwise you have to pay a small amount of penalty for not rewinding. So, and for the Asian household, they love to watch Hong Kong series, and in one of this 180 cassette maybe only fit in 3 episodes. So after, if you want to watch the whole series, you have many cassettes, and every time you have to rewind it and watch it. So if you don't want to use your expensive video recorder to rewind, as you know, those recorders were very expensive in the 80s, so you buy a cheaper rewinder. So how does it work? You press here, it will open, just like a normal video recorder, but just without video head. Have a look here. It's saying the flap side faces right, and there's also a small cassette showing here. Okay, I've got a cassette here, and this is how it works. You push it in and close it, it will start rewinding, and at the end it will open automatically. I'm going to try it out now. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to do a car racing, and I'm going to use the 2 cassette, all 180 minutes, and they are all ready to rewind. This is my old video recorder. It's saying 380 super speed rewind. I don't know what does that mean. Maybe rewind quickly. So let me put this here in first. So it's not moving. And open this one, flap to the right. Now I'm going to rewind this one and press this one. As soon as I push it in, it will start rewinding. So just have a look. I think this one is much slower. Okay, it's 1 point something. I think this one is done. Yes, it's done. And this one is still running. Just halfway through. Okay, it's almost done. stop. It's supposed to open, but it didn't. So 3 minutes 38. It's much slower than my video recorder, but as long as it doesn't snap my tape, that's alright. Okay, now you can see it is not very fast compared to my video recorder, but at least it's not snapping my tape, and it's still working, not perfectly. It doesn't open after rewinding. And have a closer look. It's quite nice, shiny. It's a little bit old. Some of them, they have light here when you push it in, and then while it's rewinding, they are light, and when they jump out, open it, then they start playing music, the beep sound in the 80s, microchip sound, like the Christmas card. I hope you have a little bit fun watching the video. If you like the video, please click on like. Thank you for watching. Bye.